shoutout ko lang po aking anak na si Marvin Jeff Jacinto. Guys, happy birthday shoutout sa'yo, Marvin Jeff Jacinto, ngayon January 2, 2026. Sa maligayang karawan sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So ayan guys, katapos lang po namin magsimba dito sa May Divine Mercy. 6:30 po nagsimula yung misa. Good morning po sa inyo lahat.